The Green Disc is an ecological power tool for your bike chain care. It takes just seconds to prepare your bike for the next trip. The Green Disc is super easy to handle and leak-proof. No oil dripping on the ground, no more dirty hands, no more greasy fingers, and no chain goo on your clothes.
Hello bikers, this is the Green Disc, a revolution in the maintenance of your bicycle chain. So why is it a revolution? Well, with this small disc, your chain will never rust or start to dry out again, and your chain will only get as much oil as it really needs. Gone are the days where half the oil ends up on your hands, on the bike frame, on your clothes, or even goes into the ground. The Green Disc is a new development of our Lubricator, which we launched last year here on Kickstarter. We have more than 10,000 happy customers who use the Lubricator, and we're really proud to announce that we recently won the German Design Award for its innovative functionality. The new Green Disc offers 25% more oil volume, and it's way more eco-friendly because it uses less raw materials.
If your chain dries out because of rain or dust, with the Green Disc your bike is ready for use again in a few seconds. Simply hold the Green Disc between your fingers, press it slightly onto your chain and turn the crank backwards. Everything else happens automatically. When the job's done, your hands look like freshly washed and you can put the Green Disc's oil-tight can in your pocket, your bag, or backpack.
With one charge, you can lubricate your chain up to 10 times. Refilling the Green Disc is super easy. You open up the disc and soak the lubricator wheel with oil. Close the disc and it's ready for use again. Once the lubricator wheel is dirty, it's really easy to change. And by using our organic chain lube, you can really help keep the environment clean because everything you see here is biodegradable.
The Green Disc saves oil up to 90%. That's good for you and good for the environment. The Green Disc is smart, small, and always with you, whether in your commuter bag or on a bike tour. Green Disc. Make the world a little greener.